What's up, guys? We're here at the end of the Outlaw race at Choccolocco this weekend. It was a wild, fun day for sure. You know, we ain't been here in 7 or 8 years. It was cool to come back and see all the some of the old stuff we used to climb and all that. It was definitely neat. But able to push hard. It was dry and dusty, but able to push hard and do good in the buggy class. Big buggy, I was able to win. Pretty sure the first 2 hills. And UTV, broke an axle on hill 1, but come back on hill 2. So that put me in the top 10 for the big buggy and the top 5 going into the 3rd hill for the UTV. And we hit the old faithful they call boat ramp. That was fun. It was something different too, you know, compared to what we normally do. But I was able to take a 1st place home in the big buggy class and take a 2nd place home in the UTV class. So can't complain. And I'm pretty sure I took over the points championship for the year. The lead in the big buggy and the lead in UTV. I think it's pretty close. We got 1 race left at AOP, and that'll be for the finals for Outlaw. But y'all come check it out. It's been fun. Thanks everyone helps me out. It means a lot. See y'all next time.
It's a good day for me, man. I love it. Know that I watch big buggy videos, racer videos, full videos. I don't know.